pops, but I don't see a chicken on my face. I look every morning in the mirror, but I just don't see a chicken. Geez, I don't really understand what you mean. Look at all my Kleenex is on the floor. I just had a big snot volcano from my nose. But this is my room. That's really happening. So yeah, I'm excited because I might get a new makeup done, maybe, but I'm gonna get my hair done soon. But then my cat's sick, so she's not really recording videos that much. But next week when she feels really good and better, she's gonna record videos, guys. Videos! So excited! Bye, guys. This is Barbara. Have a great day and hope I feel better. And love my cat. I hope she feels good and better. Subscribe. Oh, man, my nose is really runny. I'll go grab another Kleenex. Bye, guys!